Let's begin with today's IEP goals. Goal number 3, mathematics. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, model prompts, and word problems - visuals, triangles, parallelograms, square, rectangles, and trapezoids, Matthew will find the perimeter and area at the rate of 70% accuracy as measured by work samples. Objectives. By the end of 18 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, model prompts, and word problems - visuals, triangles, parallelograms, square, rectangles, and trapezoids, Matthew will find the area by using the appropriate formulas at a rate of 70% accuracy as measured by work samples. So today, for goal number 3 in mathematics, we will work on area. All right, for today's activity, Matthew will grab a separate sheet of paper and write down numbers 1 through 10. Reminder, please write your name and date on the top of the paper. What he will do in today's IEP goal, he will find the area by tiling the rectangle shown. The first is tiled for you. He will find the area in the rest of the tiles, ranging from number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Once he finds the area of each number, he will write the area on the number in the separate sheet of paper he will have. So for example, we will work on number 2 together. Sorry, let's work on number 1 first. The length of number 1 is 5, and the width is 6 on number 1. So we will multiply 6 times 5 to get your answer. So 6 times 5 is 30. So for number 1, it is 30. So Matthew, from now on, you will complete 2 to 10 on your own. Upon completion, please make sure to take a picture of the separate sheet of paper you used for your IEP goal number 3 and send it to me. But let's wait there. After completing goal number 3, you put a space and write down goal number 4. We will also work on goal number 4 in the same sheet of paper. All right, let's begin with goal number 4. Mathematics accepted by committee academic. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, given verbal, visual, model prompts, and guided practice, Matthew will define points, lines, line segments, rays, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, perpendicular lines, and parallel lines as measured by work samples at a rate of 70% accuracy. All right, today we'll work on angles. I will help you with number 1. Number 1 is an acute angle. I will show you briefly an assignment or an activity with all the angles, and we will go over them briefly so you will be able to complete this assignment on your own. Right here, we will briefly go over the angles. The right angle. A right angle is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. It always has a small square at the vertex to indicate it measures 90 degrees. A line angle or a straight angle. A line or straight angle is an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. An acute angle. An acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 and less than 180 degrees. All right, with that being said, we have practiced what the angles look like and what they are called. you will continue with number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8 on your own. On the separate sheet of paper that you did goal number 3, you will write down number 1 through 8 for below goal number 4, and you will write your answers. For example, on number 1, it was an acute angle, so you will write 1 acute, and so on and so forth. Upon completion, please send me a picture of the worksheet you worked on so I can upload it to your file on Teams. Thank you.